Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ on Linux. First, ensure you have the Steam client installed on your system. This is the foundational step for using Proton, which allows Windows games to run on Linux. Once Steam is ready, we'll move on to configuring it for optimal game compatibility. This easy method leverages Steam's built-in tools for a smooth experience. Open Steam and navigate to the Steam menu, then Settings. Find the Steam Play section and check the box to enable Steam Play for all other titles. Below that, select a specific Proton version, such as Proton Experimental or a recent stable release, from the drop-down menu. This crucial step tells Steam to use its compatibility layer for Windows games. With Steam Play enabled, search for DayZ in your Steam library or the store. Click Install to begin downloading the game files to your Linux system. Steam will handle the Proton integration automatically during this process. Once the download is complete, simply click Play to launch DayZ and start your survival adventure on Linux. If you encounter issues, first ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated for the best performance and stability. You can also check ProtonDB, a community website, for specific game reports and recommended Proton versions. Sometimes, trying a different Proton version can resolve problems. Remember to check the description below for a link to this product and other great deals to enhance your gaming setup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.